hawk flies through this open sky, sends down rain between sunshine. It warms the earth in which we stand along and love this land. These golden fields wave in the breeze, reduce their yield for a hungry world to feed, rise to fill its high demand. Long love this land, long love this land, long love this land. If you've been here, then you understand. Long love this land. This way of life we've come to know, what pioneer heart started, we've helped to grow. We build the hope of the future and all those dreams they planned. Long love this land, long love this land, long love this land. If you've been here, then you understand. Long love this land. Every combine mile, each reassuring smile, we keep moving on, we keep growing strong. With every passing year, those dreams become more clear. Innovation, inspiration, bringing food to every nation. We've done our very best with hard work in hands. Long love this land, long love this land. If you've been here, then you understand. Long love this land, long love this land, long love this land. These roots grow deep, and on them we stand along of this